In spite of a small unit inside, Lastimosa one-on-one against Distrito, getting the layup, almost got a
hit with the foul. That was his fourth. It's great. What a move by Jojo Lastimosa.
At si Lastimosa, hamunin si Cristan. Everybody's there, pero no defense. At doon galit na galit si Norman. Lastimosa goes baseline, uses the left hand. It's a Vince David.
Jolas. Kevin Holland, nilabas kay Jolas. Lastimosa with a three-point shot! At right corner court, lumapit. Jolas, amid the jeers of the crowd. Kamilky yung kalamangan. Jolas! Yes!
Super one-on-one move by Jojo Lastimosa.
Lastimosa nakalibre. Lastimosa, yes! 92 to 91. Labas ulit kay Jolas, he's open. Lumapit sa loob, sumaksak. Jojo Lastimosa scores! At lamang ang alas na ng isa, 95-94, 1 minute to 19.
Bad luck 13. And of course, for one team, it will be a lot.
The usual score of just one team in the first half. That's right. Here's whoever it would have been.
Samantala, Jojo Lastimosa scored! Jojo Lastimosa, head and shoulder take, he pulls up. Yes, sir! Nilabas kay Jolas, 6 seconds on the shot clock. Open shot for Jolas! And Jojo comes up with some big points to give us a 1-point lead.
Gotta go to Lastimosa now. Let them.
Ito na si Lastimosa. From the side, yes! Has to go Jojo! Even though he's tired. Jojo Lastimosa has 13 points, 10 of them here in the second half. Jojo Lastimosa, the Philippines wins the bronze medal.
Penetrates, misses Lastimosa.
Oh, big basket. Every clutch basket.
Ball pitch. Lastimosa. Yes! With a foul!
Big free throw.
Philippines, Lastimosa, ball fake, jump shot. Only a
Nice drop pass.
and it will count. Lastimosa getting his 5th point of the sa akin. Ito si Lastimosa. Kita mo naman gumalaw. Lastimosa getting a basket in the Philippines.
Padim. Ooh, he faked a shot. Jojo goes up. 3 men on him. One more time. Yes, sir.
Galing sa labas, Jojo Lastimosa, however, with the offensive putback. White shirts have not scored here.
That of those shots of Swift came off the fast break.
Jojo with a three.
Jojo Lastimosa from 3-point hat-trick. John Chambers gets it back to Jolas.
Jojo Lastimosa. Got the...
At Kinito, as we take a look at this replay, mukhang Gordon's Gin now beginning to lose its composure here.
Sa larong ito, on the other hand, maganda rin.
And then yun, medyo susundot siya. Doon tinawagan ng foul. There was a